You have the hiccups?
Yeah.
Show us your hiccups.
Do it again.
Show us more hiccups.
Again.
Where are your hiccups?
Hiccup.
Is there anything else you want to do? Wow, look at all those hiccups.
Yeah.
Listen to that.
No, Abigail has the hiccups.
No way. Abigail has the hiccups? Let me see.
I'm just teaching them.
Oh, I see. All right. Whoops. Okay. Say bye-bye.